Hey Instagram, I think everybody is sleeping. Even I feel very sleepy, but my commitment towards myself, putting out arigato video every single day. That's my commitment. I don't know, I will fulfill it whether I'm feeling sleepy or not. To hide my sleepy, I think I put little makeup on. Okay, fine. So today, what I am going to speak, or what we gonna discuss on day 25 Arigato from S Peopletainment. Okay, so you have already read my title, how to eliminate your bad habits, or the habits which are not productive, or habits which you're not happy about. Okay, so how do I eliminate it? Before you eliminate those habits and become more productive, become more happy about yourself, first thing is you have to understand the pattern of your habits of your life. Okay, say example, observe your patterns every day. You do 8 hours job, 8 hours you sleep, and rest of the 8 hours what you do? You either spend time with your family, cooking, cleaning the house, and watching Netflix, watching YouTube, not doing exercises. What is your pattern? Okay, example, okay, you have watched my arigato video, you decided to start doing something on your own every single day, and then 15th day there is nothing happening, and 16th day you again back to the same scenario, same pattern. Is it happening to you? 5 days you go to gym, 6th day you feel lazy. Is this a pattern of yourself? Watch yourself when you're feeling lazy, when you're feeling good to do something. Okay, so how you can eliminate, after identifying your pattern, how you can eliminate is what I'm going to say: by doing meditation, of course, right? Even I'm not good at keeping my habits every single day before 2 years, correct? But after starting realize the potential of meditating for 5 minutes every single day, it helped me to develop good habits. It helped me regulate, plan my 24 hours, right? If my 24 hours is fine, and next day I don't have to worry about next day, I only worry about today 24 hours, how I'm going to do that. So by doing meditation, I am setting that expectations from myself, even in the morning or before going to bed. What I am doing is, I am setting here, I am telling my subconscious, act in this way. Okay, so this is how you have to watch your pattern and correct your pattern, whatever pattern, shitty pattern you're going through. If you're not happy, with yourself, you're watching too much Netflix, you're not productive, you're just doing office and going to sleep, nothing happening, you're happy with that, keep doing that, no issues. If you're cribbing and shitting out of it and blaming on others, fucking watch your self discipline. What you're doing every single day, go watch that. Observe yourself before you put complaint on somebody else. My life is not going well, I have this problem, I have that problem. Fucking check your discipline. Where is your discipline? If you keep discipline your life, discipline is everything, consistency is everything. Money, fame, personal life, mother, father, kids, right? अगर consistency नहीं है, ये दुनिया नहीं है. So if you are a human being, you have to be consistent in everything you do. It is your choice whether you are going to have a consistent bad habit or consistent habit which is giving you a productive 1 month, 2 months, 1 year down the line. Okay, since last 2 years I've been consistent about my meditation. That's why today I'm able to talk to and teach some people, coach some people about meditation. I can proudly say I'm a consistent person. I'm consistent as fuck, trust me. आई लव टू बी कंसिस्टेंट, आई लव टू बी डिसिप्लिन. मुझे मैं आज एक हफ्ते के अंदर डिसिप्लिन नहीं है, मैं पागल हो जाती. राइट? इफ यू हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ हैब, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि मेरे जैसे होनी चाहिए, एटलीस्ट डोंट कंप्लेन. फर्स्ट two things: if you are not consistent, if you are not disciplined, don't complain about the result. If you want result, if you want to be happy about yourself, start practicing meditation consistently. Start going to gym. It's not only about meditation. Go to gym consistently. Do exercise at home consistently. If you're writing, write it consistently. If you're doing an art, do art consistently every single day. If you're cooking and putting out a video in YouTube, do that every single day. If you're a stand-up comedy practicing every day in front of the mirror, do that every single day. This is all I'm talking about. Work is worship. If you are consistent, you don't even need meditation, because you will be satisfied with yourself. You will be analyzing. One day you will definitely reach wherever you want to reach. Okay, so this is what today I want to talk about, the pattern. Whoever is watching me right now, I'm going to put this video in Facebook and LinkedIn. Whoever is watching it right now, think about it. Think about it genuinely, like, what is my pattern? Why I'm not able to do the things which I want to do, which I want to achieve? Come back to yourself. It's not outside, it is yourself. Your self-discipline, your consistency, your pattern. Right? Correct that pattern. You will be able to achieve more productive, more happy, more joyful than you are today. Okay, so this is day 25. Arigato from Yes People Tainment. Everybody is sleeping. I guess my mom is also sleeping. That's why thoda sa kam volume kam bol rahi hu. ठीक है? So please go and watch my whole arigato videos. 25 arigato videos I have given you. If you have any doubts, please contact me in Facebook and Messenger. I have started a Facebook page, S People Tainment. We're gonna launch lot of sessions, conduct lot of interviews, lot of seminars going to happen. Please, I beg you, go and do something for yourself to make yourself happy. Okay, when you have that self satisfaction, that is the biggest gift you give it to yourself. Nobody else can make you happy, only you can make you happy. कुल मिला के इतना ही बताना चाहती हूँ. Do consistently whatever you're good at. Start doing consistently every single day. Bring a practice, bring a pattern, positive pattern, good pattern for your life to be joyful. This is day 25 Arigato S People Tainment. I'm signing off from today's video. I'll see you tomorrow on day 26 Arigato. Thank you so much. Have a great day.